Oh, I need a little quick drink.
Have you got your hooter? We need a hooter for this one.
Do you want to intro this one, Pete?
Am I right?
You can intro this one, yeah. Yeah. Yes, we're right. Yeah. Oh, don't.
Well, everybody was very disappointed that the Rolling Stones didn't turn up, so for Hanging Rock gig at least. So we.
You said you'd do it instead?
We said we'd do it instead.
Mick Jagger.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
So we thought we'd have a go at a Rolling Stones song. The thing about we all love the Rolling Stones, but their songs are terribly sexist. So we've fiddled around with the words a bit on this one.
More appropriate for young audiences.
Very appropriate. Okay, try and get the Keith Richards riff off. Sat at the bar of the RSL in Newport, while outside the summer sun just shines. There's many a Jimmy Beams I've had in Newport, but I just can't seem to drink you off my mind. Join in the chorus, it's the same as usual. Give me the honky-tonk blues. Honky-tonk woman. Give me the honky-tonk blues. A crazy divorcee from Newport City, if there's such a thing. Took all of my clothes and left me stranded at Flinders Street in the middle of the night. Honky-tonk woman. Give me the honky-tonk blues. Take it away, Frankie. Give me the honky-tonk blues. Honky-tonk woman. Give me the honky-tonk blues.
Westy went and bought a special horn to honk in Honk, because it's called Country Honk. Do it again.
She honked at the beginning.
I know, but I was supposed to honk. Oh, I forgot, so.
Sorry, Westy.